In this session, we'll be focusing on downloading two different images from your model, your world one. We're going to take this and name the different parts as well. So in your model, what we're going to do is going to extract two different views. One is called bird's eye view or isometric view. The second one is called side view. We're going to take those two. To do so, click on the three little dash line on the top left-hand corner. Go to download and say PNG. That's a PNG file. We want to make sure we want to zoom in as much as we can to maximize the view. And up here on the top right, there will be the isometric view, which are the one in the corner. And then you have the front, the side, and the top view as well. So the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and extract the isometric bird's eye view. We'll click on this one here. Zoom in here to get the perfect perspective and maximizing the view. Once you have that set up, click on Export as PNG and say export. That will export into your download folder. We're going to do one more, which is going to be the side view. Go to the three dash line top left hand corner, click on download and PNG. Once you have that, go to the front view and go to side view to find the view that is representative in here. So in this case, it's going to be this one here. Maximize the view again, zoom in and out, get it as far as you can. What you don't want is you don't want it to be like this. You don't want it to get cut off. You want to maximize the view. So zoom in as far as you can without getting anything cut off. You have that, click on Export as PNG and say export. Now that we have the two images, it is in your download folder. It's down here. If you can't have this section or you don't have this section on your computer, click on the little finder, the little happy face, go to download and it should be listed. Click on the list and you should be the one. It should be all the one on the two top. There they are. Now that you have the two images downloaded, we're going to go ahead and replace these two images. What we're going to do now is click on the image you want to replace. Click on replace image, upload from computer, and go to the download folder. And then just grab the download folder that we have already spoken about, find the image, drag it over, and say upload. If you get cut off like that, all you have to do is double click inside the image. Notice how you can see the whole image now. Grab the corner and scale it down to fit inside the perimeter that's provided. So something along this line. Notice how things are now not aligned anymore. So you're going to grab these lines and move it to the section for the different parts. You're going to be naming the three different parts. I'm not going to name those parts for you. Make sure you name the three different parts and just grab that and move it to where it should be, like that. Name the different parts, change your name, replace this image, and go ahead and submit it in Google Classroom.